What's going on, everybody? It's Rock from Flip the Thrift. Welcome back into the channel. Today we have a humongous haul. And if you're new to the channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Rocco. I live in Pennsylvania, and I am a reseller, which means I buy items at a low value, sell them high, buy low, sell high. You know the deal, or not know the deal, but I'm getting ready to show you now what the deal is. Today I went out with the wife. We did a little bit of yard selling, kind of sporadic. We didn't really have it planned. We still did very well anyway, but yeah, it does make sense if you do plan things out. Not really sure what we spent today. Probably a decent amount of money, maybe like 200 bucks, something like that. We did spend a decent amount, but remember, this is the time where you're going to make the most out of your money for yard sales, where you're going to find your dollar items. There's a lot of stuff here. So without any further ado, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the thumbs up button, hit the notification bell down below to get notified when I post another video. And we're going to jump right into the video. I'm just going to show you exactly what I got. I think I'm going to start with some of these clothing items. There is a lot. I think that this is empty. Let me move some stuff around real quick. One of the sales was, it was kind of like an estate sale. We did get a lot of items really cheap there. I probably should have got ready for this a little bit better. But I bought a whole bunch of Beyblade stuff. I got two of the things. These are in bad shape. I'm not going to ship these. These are just, yeah, they're just all beat up and broken. I didn't really want these. I wasn't really worried about these. There is a smaller, there's a smaller one. It's around here somewhere. It's probably in one of the bags. It is a smaller one, and it is right here. Let's see. A lot of this stuff I'm going to have to look up. I got to do a little bit more research. This one is in good condition. This is probably one that I will include with the Beyblades. I'm probably just going to, yep, there it goes. Probably just going to sell this with all of the pieces. There's tons of pieces. There's a whole bag of them. There's like triggers too that I've never seen. I've never seen the triggers before, so I don't know how well they sell. Here is the Metal Fusion. There's the rule book. So that's going to go with that. And then there's these. I'm not sure what these are. I don't know if, like I said, I don't know how these work. I have to look this up, but there's tons of the smaller pieces that are in here. Here's another, oh, look at that. This wasn't even supposed to be in here. This is an RC. So maybe it is. Maybe this goes with it. I didn't know that. So yeah, there's just, for $5, I couldn't refuse it. So this is going to be one heck of a haul. It's got to be at least a $50 lot for $5, which is absolutely insane. So yeah, I'm not going to go through all the pieces. It's just, that's going to take way too long. So we're going to try to get into, let's just get into the basic stuff. And then the lady that was selling the jeans, her prices were really high. She wanted $10 a pair. I was just trying to break the ice as we got there. It's something that I haven't really told my wife about. Breaking the ice is when you go into a sale and you kind of release some of the tension when you get there. We didn't really need to do that, but got a couple decent items. These are windbreaker. I'm not even sure. I know that they're new. They're brand new. They're just like cool, like cargo pants. They're lightweight. I don't know if these are old or not. They made in Sri Lanka. They actually say 80 on them. Like, what kind of size is that? I don't know what that don't even know what that means. It says waist 30, inseam is 34. So they look like women's. They look like something that a woman would wear. They are kind of cute. So, you know, we'll see. They are brand new. They still have the tags on them. The jeans were $10, but I paid $10 for them. And then we got these really, really cool. These are 501s. They're 501. They're XX. They're not made in USA. I really wish that they would have been. Actually, I think they are made in USA. They'll say it on the bottom. They're made in USA. There's a couple little stains, like nothing too big, but these are cool. Like these are 501. They are button fly. Too bad they're not big E's, but they are vintage and they are XX. Sometimes you can get close to like 75 for these. I'm going to price these really high. They're a really good size, and I think that we'll do well with these. So we're going to throw these over with the clothing. And it's starting to pile up, guys. So you know what that means. And then check these Levi's out. They don't have the tag on the back, but they're just like cut-off shorts. I can probably get about 20 to 25 for them. I think that the $20 was worth it on that. All in all, I think we spent like $80. $80 from the one side because there were two different people. The older ladies had their sale and then the gentlemen had their sale, so they were kind of segregated. It was kind of weird, but that's the way that their sale was. So I think I spent $80 with the guys and then 20 with the women. I got these for the grill. I think I'm going to use these. I should have bought both packs. He wanted 5 a pack, so I was like, you know what? I think this is good enough. There's 10 in here. I think I'm going to try to use these on my bats because they're not Brillo. They're plastic. I don't think that they'll be too abrasive on my baseball bats. And I did pick up a bunch of bats that I need to clean today, and they're really good ones. So we're definitely going to get into that. I think that we're just going to throw that box away. Some of the boxes smelled like smoke from one of the ladies' shops that we went to. So I'm going to hold on to these. We're going to throw them over there. That's for that. All right. Let's just kind of, I'm going to move the clothing over here and then we'll get into that. So there's that, there's that and that. It's funny because on the way back from all of this, going through my town, somebody was giving things away for free, and I made a really good come up there, guys. Remember what I said about free items? You know, never hesitate to try, to do something like that. We got, all right, so there's that. We're going to go through that, and then I'm going to throw it over there. There's that. I may add that with another. Yeah, well, I'm not ready for this, guys. Sorry. I should have prepped a little bit better, but okay, I remember that. I've sold that brand before, and I know it's a really good brand. We got some vintage hats. All right, so here we go. All right, I'm going to save this bag. I don't like to throw bags away. I'm just going to put trash in it. I think this is 2000. I thought it was really cool. It's purple, and it has a horse, or I'm sorry, it has a wolf on it. I think it's 2005, so it's almost vintage, pretty close. I already sold 2 Harley shirts because I'm pricing them low. For what I'm paying for the clothing, if I'm paying $1 for a shirt, then I'm going to put it at $19.99, and I'm definitely going to blow it out. And they're selling, and I'm definitely making, on something light like this, I'm making at least $10 in profit off of that. So I can live with that. That's fine with me. I'm not going to get greedy. It's Vera Pelli. I think I've sold this brand before. It's like a butter soft leather. There's no smell. They don't smell like smoke. It's in really good condition. It has like that crazy like patchwork almost, but I don't know. I think it's women's. I don't know if this is men's or women's, but it's in pretty good condition. It's kind of like just like a cropped soft leather jacket. We're going to throw it there. And then I normally don't pick up London Fog, but I really like the style of this one. This one's like a racer jacket, almost like a members only. It has a hideaway hood. It's just, I like the style on it, or I wouldn't have picked it up. I think it has a little issue right there with the, nothing serious, but I'm trying to button it up so that we can see it flat, but it's definitely old. Made in Taiwan. I'm looking for a size, and I don't see one. It's okay to not have the size, as long as you're familiar with measurements and you know that, sorry guys, as long as you're kind of familiar with the size of something, just check that out. It is really cool. It's a really cool looking racer. Otherwise, I wouldn't have picked it up because that's not a great brand. And this was a yard sale around my way. Some of these pieces here. This one wasn't one of them. This was the indoor sale that we went to. Check this out. This is pretty old. It's on a really old tag. I don't think it's made in Thailand. It's not made in USA, but I really like the colors on that. Really dope. It's a cool Adidas. There's the tag right there. It's kind of like a plastic cover tag. Like that's dope. I've never seen that style, so you know we had to grab it. I'm gonna try to get through this video really quick, guys, so that way I can get to work. I think this is Stanley. Here's a Stanley workwear. I know that these aren't worth a ton, but for what I paid, I think I paid $40 at this outside sale. I don't remember. I know I kept track of how much money I had and how much money I have left, so I'm definitely gonna know what I spent. It's just a Stanley workwear. It's brand new with tags. So these new are on sale. Was $28. Wow. Look at the MSRP on that. 80 bucks. I'll take that tag off of there and we'll just go with that $80 tag, right? And I'll just like maybe knock that price in half. I'll probably realistically get like 25 to 30 plus shipping for that. And then check this out. Some of this stuff is definitely, I think it's going to need to be washed. I think I paid $3 for this coat. Maybe $5. It's got some stains on it. It is NASCAR. It's the NASCAR Nextel Cup Series. It's got a couple stains on it. Nothing too serious. Nothing bad. Just the, I'm not sure if that's a certain driver for that. I don't know. Some of this stuff I need to wash. And those hats are really cool. And then check that out. We got, it's just, I don't know. This might be G3. I'm thinking that it could be G3. Like Carl Banks. It is. Because that's his style. It's a G3, which is Carl Banks. G3 and apparel. I'm pretty sure most of that is affiliated with Carl Banks, but check out the back. That's dope. That is dope. I don't know how old this is. It does have a little bit of fading going on there, but this needs to go over here because this is going to need to be washed. So I'm going to put that over there. It's wet. It was a little bit wet this morning, and some items did get wet. Same with this one. It's a Nike Raiders. Really nice. It's definitely too small. It's too small for me, or I would rock it. I do have a white Raiders hat to go with that, but it's not going to fit me. A medium is going to be too small. That's going to need wash too. I hate metal hangers. I got to give them away to someone. We got the All-American Favorite Shows. VeggieTales, brand new. I think this is like a $20, $25 set. Could be a little bit more. Then we got The Godfather, the 45th anniversary. I think this is like a $30 set. This was $5. And then we got a bunch of, oh, there goes my Johnny Lightning rolling off the table. A bunch of Blu-ray. All the Blu-rays were $1. I tried to pick the best ones. Check this one out. We have the Django, is that how you pronounce it? Django metal tin. It's like a metal set. Yeah, it's even got the bonus disc. It's got 2 discs in it. One's probably Blu-ray. Yeah, one's Blu-ray. And one is DVD. And then you have a bonus disc. And this is a cool set. This has to be worth at least $10. I mean, you know, these other ones I'm not really sure. A lot of these are anime. This one is new. A Silent Voice, the movie. Blu-ray, Gargantua. More. There's a lot of anime. Grave of the Fireflies. I looked that one up. I think that one was like a $15 or $20 one. Then there's a bunch of Batman. There's Teen Titans. There's Batman. And then these I got to do more research on. There's another Batman, Harley Quinn. I may just lot them together. Then we have this Mega 64. I have to look these up. There's one there, and then there's another one right here. Mega 64. I don't know what that is. I don't even know what it is. Like, is it like something to do with paid DLC expansion pack? Includes early access on-disc unlockables. Property of GameGo. Yeah, I'll have to take that off, huh? Yeah, I think it's like a Blu-ray. Maybe it goes into like your game or computer. I don't know. I have to do more research. Then we have the Justice League, Flashpoint, Paradox. We have Deadpool. I thought this was new, but it's not. Then we have a couple of these Batmans. We have 3 movies on one, The World's End. And we have Batman. We have The Dark Knight Returns Part 2, The Dark Knight Returns Part 1, and then we have the triple feature, Batman Gotham Knight, Batman Under the Red Hood, and Batman Year One. So I'm going to check these and make sure these are in good condition, and hopefully we have a good, we have some good profits. So yeah, and we only paid $1 a piece for them, and I'm thinking, I think it was like $13 for all of them. So one's going to pay for all of them. So $1's not bad. I'll do $1 on Blu-rays. That's why I grabbed mostly all Blu-rays. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the thumbs up button. Hit that notification bell down in the corner to get notified when I post another video. And that's it. That's all I got. Go home. Peace out.